Hi all, good morning. Today I am going to show you some accessibility issues in Skype application. I am using a Mac machine and its default screen reader, that is VoiceOver, and our Skype application. Okay. Now let us start in hunting the accessibility bugs. Okay. Now this is my Skype application. Now actually a visual impaired person, that is a blind person, he will not use the mouse. He will only use the keyboard to navigate all the functions. Okay. Now I am turning on the voiceover.
Welcome to VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items on the screen and can be used to control the computer.
Yes. Now I have
VoiceOver on. QuickTime. Muting.
Now I have activated the voiceover, and here you can see the voiceover speech, that is like speech viewer, voiceover speech viewer. Okay. Now let us test whether our functionality, like whether all the Skype functionality is reached via keyboard or not. Okay. If you see here the connect to Facebook button, here this connect to Facebook button, it will not be reached via keyboard. Okay, now let us start our navigation using the keyboard and see whether this button is reached via keyboard or not.
Edit text. Leaving HTML content. Start leaving toolbar. Edit text. Tell your friend. Skype is better with friends. Clickable. Find your Facebook friend. Link. Edit text insertion. Tell your friends what you're up to. Find your edit. Tell your friends what you're up to. Find link. Edit text insertion at beginning of text. Tell your friends what you're up to. Muting.
Here, see, it is navigating to all the parts of this content, but it is not moving to connect to Facebook button. Hence, this is a bug because the blind person, he cannot be able to access that particular button. Okay. Now let us move on to the other issue. Okay. The other issue is uh, till now the user is not able to reach that particular button. The other issues is like he will be able to reach to that particular button and he cannot activate that control. For example, now I am navigating to contacts tab. Now I am inside the contacts tab. Okay, here call phone button, call phone, for every contact there is a call phone button. If I click this, I will be provided with some add number dialog box. Okay, so now let us try whether this call phone button is able to the user is able to activate this button or not. I am starting the voiceover.
Mega Praveen Tanakanti, offline. Contact button, 43 of 101. You are currently on a grid. Unchecked checkbox, 1 of 101. Contact browser, grid, 1 item selected. Mega Praveen Tanakanti, offline. Contact button, 43 of 101. 34 rows, 3 columns.
Now my focus is on call phone
You are currently on a grid.
and I want to activate this button. So now I am pressing enter. There is no action, or else I am pressing control option
All,
and
selected, tab,
spacebar.
press all, selected, tab, 1 of 5.
But still I am not able to activate this call phone button. Hence
You are
this
currently
is
on a
a
tab,
bug. This
1 of
is a
5.
bug.
Muting.
I mean like a visual impaired person, he should be able to activate any control using the keyboard. Now he is only relying on the mouse to activate this. He should be able to activate this control through keyboard also. Okay. Now moving to other bug. Here I am having one contact, one phone number. Okay. Now see this plus button. Actually, this is a sensory characteristic. Sensory characteristic means by seeing or by seeing itself, uh, it will give some notion. Like see this. This is a telephone number. I am by seeing it. I am saying that it is a telephone. Okay. See, this is a favorites button. By seeing itself, the shape of it itself, it is providing some information. Okay, so for such kind of sensory characteristic, we need to provide a textual identification for those sensory characteristics. Okay, now here there is a plus button where where it is a sensory characteristic saying like it is an add button. It is an add button or save number, save number as new or existing contact. This is what it is saying. So when I use a screen reader, when I reach to this element or a button, it should say it should announce its label. Okay, now let us see whether it will announce its label or not.
Leaving scroll area. Insert emoticon or emoji button. Avatar button. Favorite uncheck checkbox button. Favorite uncheck checkbox button. Favorite uncheck checkbox button. Muting.
See here, it is only pronouncing it as a button, but it is not announcing the label. Okay, if a blind person he is using a screen reader with the Skype application, then he is not able to understand what this button signifies. Hence, there should be a label provided to all the controls to specify its functionality. Here there is no label, hence the a blind person he cannot understand what is the purpose of this button. Okay. Moving to other bug. Now see here, I came to send message section. I am typing a message like hi there. Now observe, I don't have Skype credits, so it will show you an dynamic error like at the you are not having sufficient Skype credits. Okay, so that dynamic alert, it should be alerted to the user.
Failed to send SMS to plus 91904300597.
Here I just got failed to send SMS to 9043005987. Okay, but I am not alerted with you need to get 5 credit to send an SMS, because here I am not
Muting.
here I am not getting I just got the error like I cannot uh, I got the error like I cannot my message has not been sent, but I should also know what is the cause, that the message has not been sent. That is that dynamic alert you need to get Skype ready to send an SMS is not announced. So such kind of dynamic alerts, the important alerts, it should be alerted to the screen reader user. So moving on to the next issue, status of the mute button is not announced. So now for this issue, I am moving to my recent contacts tab. I have selected one contact, and now I have reached to call menu button. I am selecting it. I press Control Option Command button, and I am selecting Skype Rahmatullah.
Now in Skype window. Sidebar table row 5 of 14. Raham Thoa. So closing menu.
Now I am navigating inside this call option, and observe here Now my focus is on mute button. Okay, so when I select this, now it is in unmute state. Okay, now when I press this, it should say like unmute, sorry, muted. Okay, if it is a muted, then it should say like unmuted. It is like telling the status. Okay, status of this mute and unmute. Okay, now observe what voiceover says. It says toggle mute button. So I am pressing it. I have selected. Actually here microphone is muted, but what the message is saying, it is just saying, okay, it has exited. Once again we will try. I am selecting Skype.
Skype Ham Fellow 25. Now in closing menu.
Now I am on mute button, toggle mute button. Voiceover says it's a toggle mute button, so I am selecting it. It is just saying microphone muted, and here voiceover it just says press toggle mute button. Okay, now again I am selecting it. It has been unmuted. Now it is muted. This status, observe here, voiceover, it is not showing any status here, status of the mute button. It is just saying a mute, toggle mute. But he cannot understand whether it is in mute state or unmute state. This state also has to be, it is very important to present this state to the user, to the screen reader user. These are some important issues that I have shown you till now. Thanks for watching.